You all right there, buddy?
Yeah. This it wasn't an easy assignment. We lost 4 good men last night.
Yeah, we did. Hope it was worth it.
So do I.
Yeah. All right. You stay here, keep an eye out.
I will.
Hey, wake up.
I'm up.
Yep, man, this man. Keep an eye out for Jerry's. That's it. Still cleaning that weapon?
Yeah, just going over some last minute checks, making sure it's all good.
Yep, don't want no rust on that weapon.
That's looking okay at the moment. As long as it can do its job, we'll be A-okay.
Cock that bad boy. Yep, solid.
We're all good.
Good, right on. I'll see you in a bit.
Right on. You see those Germans? Give them
I
hell.
did, unfortunately. Hopefully not tomorrow.
Yeah. Depends what regiment says.
Yeah, I know. You out there, Sergeant? What's the plan for tomorrow?
Okay, so I was just telling the corporal here, what we're going to do, we want the guys up 0400 hours.
04.
0400 hours, we're going to take minimal kit, weapons and ammo only. We're going
Roger
to take
that.
this main row, we're going to branch along these hedgerows. We believe the enemy installation is about 2 clicks in front of this hedgerow.
2 clicks, got that.
Okay?
Roger that.
Okay, carry on, soldier, carry on.
Thank you. Thank you, Sergeant. Corporal.
30 cal, just 30 cal.
Roger that.